So today I've got a package from UAG, which stands for Urban Armor Gear, which is one of my favorite case manufacturers of all times. I'm extremely grateful I found them, I love working with them, and I love receiving packages for them. So let's dive in, take a look and see what we have in the bag and compare them. Dangerous unboxing knife. It's more like an unbagging knife or an unpadded envelope knife. Is that what it is? Unpadded envelope. Anyways. Let's take a look at the Monarch. This is top grain leather. I don't know if it's real leather. I don't know what top grain leather means, but we got it. Here are the features that we want to see in a case. And we just talked about this and we're gonna talk about it again. We got raised edges, right? We gotta be able to put our curved screen protector on it because on the Note, we've got curved edges. And we also need to be able to hold it. It needs to have a good grip. And this achieves that with the sides. Got a little bit of texture there. We've got some side texture to help us hold it. We've got some good protection on this one. So, the moment of truth. If I drop my phone in this case, will it survive? Now, I'm not throwing my phone on the ground. I'm not dropping it from a 2-story building. It's falling out of my pocket. It's falling out of my hand. Can it survive that tumble? Can it? I think it can. A little nervous. We're gonna do it. All the way from up here. This is some good distance. Oh! Oh! It survived. Not a crack on it, not a blemish. Perfect screen. All right, so this is the UAG Monarch, the red one, the more stylish of them. Now we are moving on to the Plyo, which has honestly become my favorite UAG case. Now, if you do your For the Love of Tech research, you will actually find a video where I said the Plyo is my least favorite case and all the reasons why. That opinion has since changed. The Plyo is no longer my least favorite case. It's actually my favorite of all of them. And this one here has got a textured back. So it's got some, you can hear that. Super textured. It's got your raised edges, and it even has in the corners here little air pockets to kind of help create a little bit of extra cushion. The Monarch has slightly more raised edges. It is a little bit thicker as far as the edges. So we are gonna throw this beautiful device into the Plyo case and I'm gonna drop it. I am. I'm gonna drop this. I'm having some serious second thoughts on this because this one's just got so much more protection, and I feel like I might be walking away from this with a cracked screen today, and I think I have the insurance. I don't know if insurance covers this. Oh well, we're gonna do it anyways. UAG Plyo drop test. Sorry, I scream when I do that. Nothing. We're good, guys. We're good. I was nervous about that one. Like, after I brought to your attention that case was definitely thinner as far as the raised edges, I was like, Aaron, what are you doing? You're just throwing your phone on the table. And this is a hard table. It's not a soft table. You know who you are, who climbed up in my comments and accused me of dropping this on a soft table. It's hard. As hard as could be. It's not concrete. Gosh, but it's hard. This is my original favorite of the UAG cases. This is the case that introduced me to the UAG brand. This is the clear plasma. It also comes in like a smoky gray color. So does this one. And this one comes in a black. So this one, again, it has these little ridges on the side, so it definitely gives you a little grip there. Actually, a really good grip. This has got a little bit more raised edges. The buttons on UAGs are all super clicky, so you're not going to have a problem with resistance to your buttons if you have a case on. I know a few case manufacturers I've used where there's been some major resistance to the buttons, and I think that's just a bad design. UAG really thinks these things out before they put it to market. I'm relying on that solidness and experience right now. All right, eyes open, no screaming. It survived. Nothing. It's perfect. No blemishes. We're easy peasy. Now this one does have a little bit more raised edge than the Plyo. I feel this one is going to add a little bit more protection for your device. So the Plyo is what you're going to go for if you're looking for thin, if you're looking for a case, and you're looking for protection. The Plasma you're going to go for if you're a little bit rougher on your devices and you know this out the gate and you're like, I need something a little bit more rugged. The Monarch is what you're going to go for if you're like, I beat the hell out of my phones, I'm a giant klutz, I drop it all the time, I need all the help I can get to protect my phone. That's the Monarch. That about wraps up the video. If you like what you saw today, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you really liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you really want to show me some love, go ahead and share my videos on social media. That is the ultimate compliment that you can pay me, and I'm definitely grateful for the time we spend here together. For the love of tech, till next time, namaste.